Okay, here we go. We're going to find the distance to an epicenter here using the reference table. So let's start with some. Let's say you found out that the P waves arrive at this time, S wave arrives at this time. You did the math, and you were able to find out the arrival time difference is 6 minutes and 0 seconds, or basically the S waves arrive 6 minutes after the P waves. How far away, in kilometers in this case, is the epicenter from that seismic station? Well, you need this. It's page 11 of the reference table. This is our distance here. And this charts the P wave, and this is the S wave. What we're basically looking for is where is this gap here going to be 6 minutes. Okay? The best way to do this is to use a pencil and a piece of scrap paper, and you're going to go like this. You want to put your scrap paper up here. You want to mark 0, and then you want to mark 6 very clearly. Please mark 0. Don't put the edge of your scrap paper at 0. That really leads to errors. I've seen a lot of kids do that, and I've seen a lot of those kids get it wrong. Mark them both. Trust me, that really works the best. So once you do that, then you need to do this. You want to find where it touches both of these lines. Now you want to make sure you keep it straight up and down. Line it up with the lines. You don't want to, make it crooked like that, crooked like this. That will lead to be wrong. You want to do that. So let's be careful, and you want to go along and see where does it touch both. And it's not always totally perfect, but I think that right there is pretty good. Can you see how it touches both? Okay, now once I have that, then I want to be able to follow that down. Okay? So I think it's clearly this line right here. Follow it down to right there. Okay? And then you got to figure out, always count by. Notice these are in 10 to the 3. That's 1,000. See, these are all in thousands. That's 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, etc. And then you got to count these out. You figure out the scale, count it out, try some. So find the one that works, and you should find these count by 200. So here, the answer, how far away from whatever seismic station this is, it is, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. You will see that they count by 200. That answer is 4,400 kilometers. So you will find your answer to be 4,400 kilometers from that seismic station. Okay? Let's just do another one, and I have one right here on the back. Let's say the P waves arrive at this time, S waves arrive at this time. You do those math calculations, and you should get the difference in arrival times of 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, let's see how far away that would be. So, we go back to this, and you're going to put your scrap paper up there, and you're going to clearly mark 0 and mark 440. Now, again, some people may count this out, and I want everyone to be able to figure this out. I don't want people to just remember it. I don't want people to have to rely on me telling them this is minutes, and where would 440 be? Well, you got to figure out what these count by, and you can try, count them out. Try with tens. You'll find if you try to count each one by 10, that's not going to work. Try by 5 seconds, that doesn't work either. You're going to settle on and realize that it's 20 seconds, so it's 420, 440, 5 minutes. So let's do that. 440's right there. Now we want to go here and see where it touches both of these. Where it touches both. Let's see. And this is kind of part of a skill. Is it there? It's not there. It does look good. That looks pretty good. And it's not there. So I think it's right there. Okay? And then what you want to do, then you follow that down to right here. And again, counting them out again. These go by 200s. So what you're going to get, the answer is the distance to the epicenter, in this case, was 3,200 kilometers, when that is the difference in the arrival time of my S and P waves. Okay, so you will get a lot of practice with this, and good luck. Mr. Gazda signing off. Enjoy this.